How to get Godaddy coupon code for a new domain. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Now at the very top you can see the search box. Over there type in Godaddy domain coupon code and search for it. With that you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here you're gonna find different website options for getting Godaddy coupon code. From here you can select any of the website. Make sure you notice the date as you have to select the promo code that hasn't expired. You can just open this one, click on it. Now from here you can easily get the coupon codes, discount codes and offers. You can just scroll down and check the coupons. If you are interested in any of the coupon, to use it you have to click on this option of show coupon. Now you can click on this option of get coupon, or you can just copy it and use it. Likewise, also you can check the discount codes and offers. So this is how you can get Godaddy coupon code for a new domain. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.